Today's Monday, Veteran Day. It's a holiday. I want to say thank you to all the veterans and their family as well for everything that they have done for this country. Thank you so much. Bless you guys. So today I'm going to take advantage that it is a beautiful morning. It's 8 o'clock and it feels amazing outside. So I'm going to tackle this mess. But first I'm going to start with the greenhouse. So hopefully I get far. I need to clean the greenhouse and water everything and then try to do some picking up around here. And I don't know if I should pot anything. I need to look at the weather to see if it's going to continue to rain or not. So that will... Oh, hey friend. Did you see the little squirrel? Look at him. Aw, what you eating? Oh look, he's eating a mushroom. So cute. You just made my YouTube video so much better, buddy. Now I have to wait until you're done eating because then you'll run away because you're scared. Okay. Okay, there you go. You're gonna go up? Oh, you're so cute. How cute. Look at him, look at him. He's holding himself by his back legs and then eating with both of his front paws. How cute. I didn't know they eat mushrooms. Aww. I've never pulled out mushrooms from the ground here, but I'll definitely know not to pull them now because... Where did he go? Oh, there he goes. Hey! He's like, I'm right here. Because they eat them, so now I know to leave them alone. Hi, buddy. You've been munching on my plants too? Are you done? I think he's done. He's going up the palm tree. He's done. Anyway, so back to this. So yeah, I already said everything I was gonna do. I got video bombed by the squirrel, making a mess right now up in the palm tree. But yeah, I'll check back in with you. Oh, let me show you the greenhouse, right? The inside of it. You want to see my old man? Come here, old man. Come here, Taz. I forget if he's going on 16 or 15. I love him so much. Daddy! Daddy! He's been a part of so much in our lives. Right, Taz? When I was first pregnant with my oldest, he would lay on my belly. Like, yeah, he would press himself against my belly. Like he knew. So cute. Hey, no peeing in here. That's what he's gonna go do. He's gonna mark territory. So, here's my mess. Yeah, there's a big mess in here. I still have, like I said, the plants that I'm supposed to take out. Let me turn off the fan. There are some plants here that I want to take out that should be able to do well out there. So that's what I want to do. More common ones, but not my like things that I don't have a lot of or that are hard to find. I will not. Like this will probably not go outside. I should put it in a bigger pot though so that it can grow and have more plants of the variegated ghost plant. But I don't know, maybe like this one I might end up finally propagating it. I'm not sure. It's not looking as pretty as it used to. It used to be very full. I don't know what's wrong with this one. She looks weird. I might propagate that as well. My Black Prince, he's old and he's looking really good. He's old. So yeah, I just need to clean, water, and I don't know, just take care of this hot mess that I have in here. These, I don't know, these are so sensitive too. I don't know if they'll put up with all the rain that we've been having lately. It's fall, guys. We should not be having this much rain, and that is my concern with the plants. That all my plans that I was supposed to be doing regarding repotting have been put to a halt. Well, because of the weather, I can't be out in the rain, and then I'm concerned about what's gonna happen. Look at that little cactus. You can see here it's not getting enough sun as it used to. The thinner it goes, that means it's not getting as much sun as it used to. So it gets a little like leggy, I guess you want to call it. So yeah, I need to repot this too. It's getting too big for the pot. So I need to do that. This one is doing really well. I love this. It's doing well. Look at this one. My it's a mammillaria. I don't know what. It's flowering. So pretty. So pretty. So yeah, a lot of these need water really bad. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna fix all that and yeah, I don't know. I might propagate these. They have been here for a long time and they're I guess you would call that stretching, I guess. I'm not sure. So I might do that. Look at this one, how pretty. So yeah, so it's just a lot of things to address in here. I've been slacking really bad. Really bad. I just didn't know it was gonna be that bad. So I brought these out here thinking that they would root faster out here. I just brought them out here last week, and because the times that I've had propagated cactus, they rooted quicker, because this has been inside my house for a long time now. I want to say for a few months, and was not getting any roots. So finally I thought maybe my house is too dry, because obviously I don't give it water, but out here there's more humidity, so the plant itself takes in the humidity without me having to water it, and I think it would root faster. And this one's already got a little root right there, so I gotta fix that and put it in there a little bit deeper. They just lay right there on top of the soil, and that's fine. This one has no root yet. And then let's see, no root. I don't know if this one's gonna make it. I think it's gonna like shrivel up because it's pretty empty. You touch it, it feels really empty. I don't like checking on this one. It's all it's crooked. I don't see any roots on it as well. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that. That's not gonna want to go in. Anyways, I'm moving all this, so once I start moving, things will fall. No roots. I think this one might have a root. I'm not sure, but let me see this one. No root. I don't know if it'll ever root. It's just, that's just you know, that's just the risk you take when you have cuttings, I'm assuming. And this one, oh, there it is. This one's breaking through right there. See that little thing coming out? That's a root. Cool. This one's rooting. This is a piece that is not going to do anything. I just threw that in there. It's just, I don't remember even where I got it from. But that's it. This is my mammillaria. I don't know what kind it is. It's flowering so pretty. And then these are cuttings I just throw on here and let them root. I need to plant that. So yeah, I just want to clean everything out. That's just, I like to just clean everything out and then use the blower and clean everything and then start like organizing and deciding what I'm going to do and repotting. Yeah, so that's it, guys. I'll check back with you in a little. Guys, I'm going to try to be quick because I've been listening to music while I've been cleaning and my battery's dying on my phone. So here is the greenhouse, nice and clean. Floor's been clean, everything's been watered. What I do is when I water, because I've been using my pump, the pump down there, I make sure that there's no water settling on top of any plants that have dips, like, you know, the echerias can puddle the water, or some of the cactus that are round, the water can puddle on top. You don't want that, so I made sure that they don't have any of that. A lot of them also I watered while they were sitting in containers outside while I was cleaning, so that's what I did. I didn't get to repot some plants still, so I'm still working on that, but I love the pots that I repotted today. I'm in love with them. I want more. And look what I did. I took all the ones that I had spread out and put them in one pot. Added new soil. This one I forgot about, but I'll leave it alone, maybe next time. Yeah, so I watered all these. I didn't get a chance to do anything with that one. These are some cuttings that I took. I need to take more cuttings from outside from some plants that need to be trimmed. So yeah, so it looks really clean in here. And for my favorite part, guys, what I was able to do today is this right here. I'm just hoping that, so it's already what time is it? Let me see. 37. As you can see, it is getting some afternoon sun, but we have some palm trees going back and forth, so I'm hoping that they can deal with it. Some of these have already been out here, so I don't think they'll burn. I think they're going to be just fine because they've been putting up with it. So I'm not sure. See, the sun comes and goes in this section, but I had that table over here with a bunch of plants and none of them had gotten burned, so I took a chance today and did this, and I love it. I just want to sit out here and stare at it all day. So I took a chance and brought this one out of the greenhouse, this fluffy cactus, just because I have one out here in the other side over there, and it's been doing well. It has not rot on me. So yeah, even this euphorbia, I brought her out because she's been stretching inside my greenhouse. So I'm like, you know what, I'm just going to take a chance and throw her out there. I still need to put that in a terracotta pot. There's a few plants that I need to put in terracotta pots. So that's it. I picked up a bunch of weeds, did a lot of raking. So yeah, just cleaned it. I didn't get a chance to address that over there, and that's it. The girls are asking me to go do something with them, so that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to finish up, and because, you know, today was their day off from school, so I'm going to try to do something with them. But that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy this. Look at how pretty that looks. Let me just give you a little slow motion here. See, and eventually this is what I would like. I would just like to have my plants where I can see them like this. They look so nice like that. I just hope that they're able to pull through and just even pull through the summer, and we'll see. That'll be interesting to see. I've been thinking about, so I noticed some things real quick before I forget that was important to mention. I noticed some of my plants, like this one and this one, they've been struggling. And the reason why is I think I added too much pumice for those plants being inside the greenhouse because they're not getting rained on. I mean, I think I went almost a month without watering. So yeah, I repotted them, added more soil, and used less turfus to see. But that is in the greenhouse. Now what I'm thinking about in the future, I was hoping to find some echeverias that are sensitive, like the Pro von Nutenberg. I don't want to use any one of mine that I have in here, but I was hoping to find one at Home Depot and try to see how they would do with like, I don't know, 80% turfus and the rest soil, because I have seen people grow succulents in turfus. Not all, obviously. But yeah, I would like to try to see how that would work out. So yeah guys, I think that's it for now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye guys, have a blessed day. Today's November 1st. This will probably be a random clip added to one of my videos whenever I make like an actual video. I just wanted to show you this. Something caused some damage here. I don't know if it was Maxi or something. And look, see? I know something broke it. That's a real bummer because this one was really pretty and big. Look at that. Broke a lot of leaves. So, I don't know if it was Maxi Girl trying to chase something. That's a bummer. And what else? I'll just show you this. This might flower if the conditions are right. Sometimes they won't flower, they end up rotting. So I don't know if it's gonna flower. Yep, something. See, they knocked this over. I might want to blame Maxi for this. She probably was chasing something when I let her out. I don't know when, probably last night. And she knocked that down. Maxi girl, pain in my butt. Anyways, that's it.